Here are the most asked one-liner questions and facts. British occupation and early resistance. 1803. The year the British East India Company officially occupied Odisha after defeating the Marathas. Jai Rajguru, the first martyr of Odisha's freedom struggle, he led the Khurda rebellion in 1804. Bakshi Jagbandhu, the leader of the famous Paika rebellion 1817 in Khurda. Paika rebellion 1817, recently recognized by the Union government as the first national rebellion preceding 1857. Surendra Sai, the legendary freedom fighter from Sambalpur, who fought the British from 1827 to 1864. He died in Asirgarh Fort. Chakra Bisoi, the leader of the Khond uprising 1846-1855 against the suppression of Meria human sacrifice. Social and political awakening. Na Anka famine 1866. The great Odisha famine that occurred in the ninth regnal year of King Dibya Singha Deva, leading to massive loss of life. Utkal Sabha 1882, formed at Cuttack with Gauri Shankar Ray as secretary. It was the first major political organization in Odisha. Utkal Sammilni 1903, founded by Madhusudan Das Utkal Gauraba to spearhead the movement for a separate Odisha province. Satyabadi Bana Vidyalaya 1909, the open-air school established by Utkalmani Gopbandhu Das at Sakhigopal Puri. The Samaj, the influential Odia weekly newspaper started by Gopabandhu Das, The Path to Statehood 1912 to 1936. 1912, Odisha was separated from the Bengal presidency and became part of the Bihar and Odisha province. 1st April 1936, Odisha became a separate province on a linguistic basis celebrated as Utkala Dibasa. Sir John Austin Hubback, the first governor of the separate Odisha province. Krishna Chandra Gajpati, the Maharaja of Paralakhemundi, who played a pivotal role in the creation of the separate province. Important events in freedom movement. 1921, Mahatma Gandhi visited Odisha for the first time. Inchuri Baleshwar, the primary site of the salt satyagraha in Odisha 1930, often compared to Dandi. Erambhadrak, known as the Rakt Tirth pilgrimage of blood due to a massacre in 1942, where 29 people were killed by British police. 1948, Bhuneshwar replaced Cuttack as the capital of Odisha. Mayurbhanj, the last princely state to merge with the Odisha province 1st January 1949.